Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, in my videos I teach Korean learners useful phrases called 사자성어 that's very practical to use. Check out this introduction video first if you haven't watched it. I also have an Instagram account. If you're interested in learning Korean language, check out my account for more phrases. The links to the introduction video and my Instagram are both in the description below. Back to the topic, in this video we are going to learn 금이환향. We got 4 characters here. Let me explain each one of them. 금 means silk. 의 means cloth. 환 means to return. 향 means hometown. Now look at the word one by one in order. Silk, cloth, to return, hometown. Let those words picture in your head. What do you see? You see there's a storyline in this phrase. A person who left his hometown years ago suddenly shows up in town wearing fancy silk clothes. What does that stand for? That he has succeeded. He's now a successful person and marching back to where he was born and grew up. He's proudly walking on the red carpet with the townspeople celebrating his return. That's the story that this phrase contains. The place can be either a town, a village, a city, or a school, or a country. Remember these 3 elements: a person, successful, hometown. 금이환향 is a noun referring to the act of returning, so it can be used as a verb when combined with 하다, which is the basic form of do. Let me give you an example. 작은 시골 마을 출신인 철수는 변호사 시험에 합격하고 금이환향했다. And another example. 올림픽 국가대표 선수들이 세계 5위의 좋은 성적을 거두고 금이환향했다. I put the English translation of the examples and the Korean version of the whole script in the description, so make sure to check them out. If you have any questions about the phrase or Korean language in general, let me know in the comment. I'll try to answer it if that's something I can help you with. If you want to learn more phrases like this, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified every time a new video comes out. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.